Let's learn how to texture the object in the Blender. Just delete the default settings, then add, and we will adding a UV sphere. Scale it up. For scale up, press S. Now we have a nice sphere. Now click right click and shade smooth. Yes, we have a nice sphere. Then we go into the shading. Now just click new and press shift A and click on the texture and select image texture. Drop it here. Now click here open and navigate your texture. Click OK and connect color to base color. And yes, we have a nice earth now here. Just go back to layout mode and press in render setting here and change to it cycles. Now we have a nice earth here. This is looking perfectly, but if we want to just unwrap it, what we do, we go back to the edit mode and press U, and when we just do here smart UV project, it will wrap the object for you, but it's not look very well on this earth. That's why we will just undo it and keep the default wrapping, and this is the texture on earth. Now if you want to just change it, you can add the light from here, light, and it will be look nice.